Hello, I'm Berchtenbreiter from the University of Applied Science in Munich, Germany, and there from the Department of Tourism. And I had the honor to give a guest lecture now here at DUT. I'm also responsible for the international business at our department, and I always love to encourage our students and the students from DUT to go abroad, travel the world, make their experiences, because I think it will enrich our whole lives, our lives, if we see each other, know how we live, and inspire each other. And also the teaching is very, very interesting.
Greetings, my name is Raisi Kamal and I'm a tourism student from DUT. We just had a guest lecturer from Germany, Dr. Rao. He was an amazing lecturer. He was so engaging towards the class. He made us quizzes. He engaged with the class about the different countries, the borderline countries of Germany. He spoke about his university, about the different lecturers there, about the different courses for tourism. We learned about what they wear in Germany for like the Oktoberfest and what they eat there. It was an amazing experience, and I'm really happy I attended this lecture.
Greetings, my name is Xasa Kawanda and I'm a third-year tourism student at the Department of Tourism and Hospitality. Today I had a great pleasure to meet and attend a guest lecture with Prof. Today's lecture broadened my understanding, and it shows me that tourism is very wide, and I got to see a more visual understanding of the country, German, and different other places. Prof. Rolf also showed us his university, what he specializes in, and also shows us different places, attractions actually in his area, which is very interesting as tourism students to know where you can be and where you want to work in the near future. I'm very thankful to Prof. Rolf for showing us all these things and for making us understand tourism not just as a local but as an international view as well. Thank you.
Thanks everyone. My name is Lindobuhle Mazibugo. I'm a third-year student at the Durban University of Technology and the Department of Hospitality and Tourism. Opportunities for us as the Durban University of Technology students are available for us in Germany, which are we can study abroad and we can pay no fees, as their education is for free, and there's no need for us to learn Germany. All education is based on English. Thank you.